Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to show you how to do this really cute summer hairstyle. It's super easy and we're going to be using all of my favorite Curlsmith products. So for step one, we need to protect our hair. I've talked to you guys before about all the different types of damage, and since we are going to be styling, we're going to need to protect against mechanical damage. And since it's summer, the sun is out, I live in North Carolina, I need to protect against UV rays. So I'm using the Miracle Shield protection spray for that. And now I'm going in and I'm creating a part horizontally across. This is going to section my hair half up, half down. I use my ears as a guideline, but you can section it however you like. What you want to do after you do that is section off that bottom part of hair to keep it out of the way. And now we're going to focus on the top section. So using the curl defining styling souffle, we are going to just go ahead and apply that to the top section of hair, especially focusing on the perimeter. I love using this souffle whenever I want a flexible hold, and it helps to fight against frizz. So now I'm going to section off my bang area. You don't have to do this if you don't want to though, but I like it just for a little extra touch and it really shows off my curls. So now I'm going in with the Featherlight protein cream. This is probably one of my favorite leave-in creams ever. I just love it, and my hair loves protein. So I'm applying that to my hair, and I'm acting as if I'm already tying my hair up in a ponytail just to make sure I have extra protection in the area where I know the ponytail holder is going to sit. And then I pull that all the way down to my ends. And then you guys know I am all about protecting my hair from damage from hair ties. And one way to do that is using an oil to kind of moisturize that hair tie and to make sure that it's not sucking all the moisture out of your hair. It's just a little extra line of defense. We never want our hairstyles to cause damage. Once I have the top section of hair in a ponytail, it's time to go ahead and focus on that bottom section. So first off, I spritzed it with some water just to give it some moisture. And then I went back in with that Featherlight protein cream. I did this because, one, I just love that protein cream. And two, this is where, if you see, I have some blonde areas here and they need a little extra help. It needs some love. So I like to use the Featherlight protein cream for some extra strength. And then using my neck as a guide, I went ahead and split that bottom section in half. And then I oiled up my rubber bands and I put pigtails in that bottom section. So for the final steps, I went in with the curl defining styling souffle to redefine my bang area and any curls that needed it. And then once my hair was dry, I went back in with that shine oil and just added some extra shine, because whenever I do a hairstyle or whenever I'm done doing my hair, I just feel like it looks even better when there's some extra shine. It just gives that overall finished look. And as you see, my hair is nice and bouncy and done, and we are all done. We're finished with our style. And now we're ready for hot curl summer with this super cute and easy style, and we're protected from damage. Let me know if you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to see some more hairstyles. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.